This is how to pause a video in Capcut. If you haven't already, first go to the App Store, look up Capcut Video Editor, and update and install the app. Once you have the app updated and installed, let's open it up. Once you've gone through the steps of logging in or creating a Capcut account, we're going to go to the bottom left to the Edit tab, and here we're going to press on New Project to enter one of our videos. Once you press on New Project, it's going to come up with a list of all of your videos onto your phone. Go ahead and press on the video that you'd like to use. For example, this is the video that I have at the moment. And how to pause and play a Capcut video is this icon right in the middle under where your video is actually playing from. So if I press on that right now, it's going to play it. And I'll press it maybe 2 seconds later and it's going to pause it. Like that. That's how to pause a video or picture in Capcut.